In the last session, we have discussed about the production of paper. Paper is actually manufactured from fibrous material, that is pulp. The fibers are held together by means of hydrogen bond. In wet process, fiber suspension in water is made and is then made into sheet and dried. The machine used for production of paper is foundriner. The process of manufacture of paper from pulp is the very dilute slurry of pulp is made, which consists of 99.5% water, only 0.5% fibrous material, and fed to the head box, from where it actually flows to a calibrated weir onto a moving endless belt of wire cloth at a speed of 50 meters per minute, or for finer paper and 500 meters per minute for newsprint paper. Water drains by gravity, a part of water removed by pressure rolls and then by suction rolls. The screen also has the sidewise shaking motion to give the better interlocking of fibers on the mat. Water collected in this section of the machine is known as white water, which is recycled for recovery of fibers. To conserve water and additives and to prevent stream pollution. The wet paper sheet containing 80% of water is fed by a felt roll to the press section, where water is removed by mild pressing to reduce the content of water to about 60 to 65%. Bond or watermark, if needed, is formed on this sheet during the pressing operation. The sheet from the press section has sufficient strength to carry by its own weight. It is passed through a smoothing roll, then a series of steam heated metal cylinders where heat and mass transfer takes place to the felting or canvassing belt moving on the top of the paper. Paper board is dried directly without felt. As the sheet leaves the last drying roll, which contains 5 to 6% of water, it is passed through a final series of pressure or calendering rolls to produce smooth, well-finished paper. It is wound on large rolls and then transferred to the finishing section, where it may be cut, coated, and packed. Today we will discuss about the sugar industries in this session. We will see some of the terms used in the sugar industry. Number one is Brix. The degree is the percentage by weight of sucrose in a pre-sugar solution. Commercially, it is taken as the percentage of solid matter dissolved in a liquid. The Brix percentage is the measure of sucrose or sugar content. 1 degree Brix is equal to 1 gram of sucrose in 100 grams of solution. Sugar cane with a Brix percentage closer to 23%. This is considered to produce the highest quality sugar. Second one is polarity or polarization or pole. The apparent sucrose content expressed as a mass percent measured by the optical rotation of the polarized light passing through a sugar solution. This is accurate only for pure sucrose solutions. Next, purity. The true purity is the sucrose content as a percent of the dry substance or dissolved solid content. The solids consist of sugar plus non-sucrose components such as invert sugar, ash, and colorants. Apparent purity is expressed as polarization divided by the refractometer risk multiplied by 100. Next, fourth one is massive. It is actually the mixture of sugar crystals and syrup or mother liquor resulting from the crystallization process. Then molasses. Molasses, the liquor obtained after separation of sugar crystals from the mother liquor by centrifuging. That is known as molasses. Then bagasse is the solid cane residue leaving mills after extraction of juice, which can be used as a fuel in boilers for making fun. So these are some of the terms and their definitions which are used commonly in sugar technology. Then we will discuss about the production of sugar. So this is the flow diagram for the production of sugar from canes, sugar canes. First, the canes are washed to remove the mud and debris. Canes are chopped and crushed. The crusher consists of two rows rotating in opposite direction. Crushed canes are passed through 4 pressure mills to extract the juice. These are the 4 pressure rolls. Each pressure mill is made up of cast iron rolls. The rolls are grooved and the width decreases from the first roll to the last. Makeup water is added in the third and fourth mill here and here, and is recycled back to the first and second mill. After passing through this, about 85 to 90% sugarcane juice is extracted. The solid material produced after extraction of the sugarcane juice from the canes is known as bagasse. It is a byproduct which can be used as a fuel or it can be used in the production of pulp. In general, 2 methods of clarification are available for the manufacture of white sugar, namely sulfonation process and carbonization process. To precipitate the colloids, calcium phosphate is added, followed by milk of lime, that's a calcium hydroxide. The milk of lime used has 9 to 10% strength and about 400 milligram calcium oxide per liter of solution. Apart from maintaining pH of 7, sulfur dioxide gas also acts as a bleaching agent. Phosphoric acid or carbon dioxide can also be substituted as acidifying agent depending upon the type of the juice extracted. At the bottom of the clarifier or thickener, the mud impurities are settled and drained. Steam is used to slightly heat the juice. The juice now comes to a thickener here. The overflow from this is actually sent to a multiple effect evaporator for its concentration, and the underflow from the bottom of the thickener is passed to through a continuous rotary filter to recover the sugar solution. The sugar solution, if it is clear, it is passed to multiple effect evaporator here, or otherwise recycled back to the clarifier. The filter cake produced is used for fertilizer. The clarified juice overflow to this third and fourth forward feed multiple effect evaporator. Hence, juice is concentrated to 80 to 85% water content to 40% water content and make the juice to solidify or crystallize in this stage. A vacuum of 63 centimeters of water is maintained in the last effect evaporator. Clarified concentrated sugar cane solution comes to the crystallizer. The crystals are formed in the crystallizer, which can be screened. The crystallization is completed in vacuum pans. A mixture of crystals and syrup is called massacute. The massacute from the crystallizer is centrifuged in basket type centrifuge to remove the mother liquor, that is molasses, which is a byproduct of sugar industry. A high grade sugar crystals are obtained here. The mother liquor is further treated to remove one or more crops of crystals. The crystals are pressed, graded, screened and packed. After taking out the crystals, the remaining solution or liquid is called as molasses, which is used in the distilleries to produce beverages, which is used in the production of beverages like wines, rum, beer, etc. The centrifuge speed is maintained around 800 to 10,000 rpm. So this is about the production of sugar from cane sugar. Right? Properties of sugar. Sucrose is a disaccharide that occurs normally in most fruits and vegetables. Sugar occurs in greatest quantities in sugar cane and sugar beets, from which sugar is separated economically and commercially. The chemical formula of sucrose is C12H22O11. Its molecular weight is 342, density 1.58 kg per meter cube. Sucrose is soluble in water but slightly soluble in methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. It is obtained in the form of powder or crystals. Let us see some of the MCQs. Number 1, sucrose content in cane sugar may be around dash percentage. 1 50%, B 70%, C 85%, D 98%. Which is the right answer? The right answer is answer D 98%. Next, question number 2. Massitude is dash. A mixture of sugar crystals and syrup used for making paper. C. Used as a cattle feed. D. Highly acidic in nature. So, massitude is option. Right answer is option A. Question number 3. The percentage of sugar content in the sugar solution is expressed in dash. Options are A. Degree API, B. Degree brisk, degree Balmer, and D. None of these. Right answer is degree brisk, that is option B. Fourth one, after separation of sugar crystals from the mother liquor, the remaining solution is called as dash. A. Cane juice, B. Molasses, C. Massitude, and D. Alcohol. Right answer is option B. Molasses. Fifth question, solid product obtained after extraction of juice from sugar canes is dash. Options are bagasse, B. Molasses, C. Massitude, D. Mother liquor. This option A is the right answer, bagasse. Sixth one, sulfur dioxide gas is bubbled to the hot juice, acts as dash. Options are precipitating agent, B. solidification agent, D. bleaching agent, D. none of these. Option C is the right answer, this bleaching agent. Thank you.